Good morning, back down the allotment again. Still early in July, so just got the last bit of planting out to do. So if you remember from the previous videos, I had some brassicas to plant out, and the other thing I had was some beetroot. So today I'm come down to put the beetroot in, and that's going to go either side the calabrese. So this is the bed that I had the calabrese put in. One nice row all the way down the middle. So I'm going to put the beetroot in at the side. Okay, so this path needs to be trimmed, but I haven't really got time to do that today. So I've got a number of beetroot to put in. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 10, 20. 20 beetroots, so 2 rows of 10. Okay, so as you probably know with beetroot, you don't get one single plant, you normally get 2 or 3 coming from a seed, so I don't separate them out. I'll just transplant each cell. Nice and cool today down the allotment. They keep forecasting we're going to have really hot weather. Hope I'm not speaking too soon. I have taken the opportunity to water the plot this morning. I'm surprised there's nobody else down here, to be quite honest. Okay, so I'll carry on doing this work and then I'll catch up with you when I've finished. Okay, this variety of all this beetroot is put in now. Didn't take that long. I need to give this bed a really good soak though. Just going down a trowel's depth, and it's still relatively dry underneath, so this bed's going to have a good soak with a hose pipe. I'll turn the camera off before I do that. The variety of beetroot we've put in is one called Pablo. It's one we've grown a lot in the past. It's quite a reliable variety of beetroot. So this is the beetroot that we're probably going to get late autumn, but we've got beetroot ready to pick anyway back up on one of the other beds. Okay, so that's all I've got to do today. I'll say all. I'll do a bit of weeding. I've obviously got to water this bed. I need to water the polytunnels as well, but it was just a quick catch up today and just show that I've actually completed all the bits of planting that I sort of hinted at in the previous videos. So I'll say bye for now. See you again soon. Bye.